Are you Team Marvel or Team DC when it comes to superhero movies? And can you explain why Superman never needs a haircut? Classic or modern horror? Do you prefer classic horror films or modern horror releases? And which one would you choose to watch with a ghost? I'm asking for a spectral friend. Star Wars or Star Trek? Which intergalactic adventure do you think has the better spaceship parking regulations? Star Wars or Star Trek? Action-packed blockbusters or thought-provoking dramas? Are you more into high-energy action movies or thought-provoking dramas? And if you had to pick, would you rather fight one giant blockbuster-sized duck or 100 drama-sized ducks? Animated classics or CGI animation? Which style of animation do you enjoy more? Classic hand-drawn animation or modern CGI? And could you draw a stick figure version of your favourite animated character? Favourite movie genre, comedy or drama? When it comes to movie night, do you lean towards comedy or drama? And can you act out your favourite dramatic scene using sock puppets? Superhero or anti-hero? Do you prefer movies with traditional superheroes or those with complex anti-heroes? And if you were a superhero, what would your superpower be, aside from choosing the perfect movie? Original soundtrack or licensed music? Which do you find more appealing in movies? Original scores or the use of popular songs? And can you hum your favourite movie theme with your mouth full of marshmallows? Book adaptation or original screenplay? Do you enjoy movies based on books or those with original screenplays? And if you could turn any book into a movie, would it be the phone book? Classic black and white or vibrant colour? When watching older films, do you prefer classic black and white cinematography or vibrant colour? And then, if life were a black and white movie, would you add a splash of colour or go for that timeless grayscale charm? Movie theatre or home streaming? Where do you prefer to watch movies? In a theatre or at home through streaming services? And if your living room were a movie theatre, what snack would you sneak in? Villain showdown, the Joker or Darth Vader? If you had to pick, who is the ultimate movie villain, the Joker or Darth Vader? And which one do you think would win in a dance-off? Fantasy realm or outer space adventure? Which do you find more fascinating? Fantasy movies set in a magical realms or outer space adventures? And if you could visit one, would you rather ride a dragon or pilot a spaceship? Film noir or Technicolor classics? Do you enjoy the mysterious and dark tones of film noir or vibrant colours of Technicolor classics? And if your life were a movie, would it have a happy ending or a twist that leaves everyone scratching their heads? 80s action heroes, Schwarzenegger or Stallone? In the battle of the 80s action heroes, do you prefer Arnold Schwarzenegger or Sylvester Stallone? And can you flex your biceps like your favourite action star? Bonus points if you do it now in slow motion. Popcorn or candy? What's your go-to movie snack? And why do we even bother with healthy options? Mockumentaries or rockumentaries? Spinal Tap or This Is Spinal Tap? Rom-com or action movie? Which is more likely to make you cry, but for completely different reasons? Zombies or vampires? Who would you want on your side in a movie apocalypse, and why are we even considering a vampire? Oscar-worthy drama or guilty pleasure? Because sometimes you just need a cinematic cheese fest, right? Plot twist or spoiler alert? Are you the friend who ruins the movie or the one who tries to keep it all hush hush? CGI or practical effects? How many pixels does it take to make you believe a dinosaur is real? Superhero sidekick or supervillain henchman? Who has more fun and why are henchmen always so expendable? Film buff or casual viewer? Do you watch for the plot or the popcorn? Or both? Prequels or sequels? Because sometimes the story needs a little backstory and sometimes it just needs to keep going and going. High school teen drama or alien invasion movie? Because apparently high school is just as dramatic as an alien invasion. Film festival indie darling or Hollywood blockbuster? Can you even name 3 indie films without Googling? Movie marathon at home or red carpet premiere? Who needs the glamour when you've got pyjamas and snacks at home? Spoof comedy or serious thriller? Who's up for a good laugh while solving a crime or saving the world? Chick flick or bro movie? Who said guys can't enjoy a good chick flick or girls will hurl? Chick flick or bro movie? Who said guys can't enjoy a good chick flick or girls are a hilarious bro movie? Stereotype.